guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. I have a bunch of things on my to-do list to get done, so we're gonna have a very positive and productive day. But before we get into it, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Omaze. Omaze gives away one-of-a-kind prizes and experiences while still donating to charities across the world. Their sustainable approach to fundraising means that nonprofits can spend less time and money raising funds and instead focus on serving the needs of their communities, which is super cool. As you guys know, we moved into our dream house and it's been such an amazing journey. Omaze is giving out a $4.3 million house in Los Angeles. It's a modern farmhouse design which is similar to ours but with 5 bedrooms, 6 baths spread across 5,800 square feet. It'll become the party house with a new theater room, pool, basketball court, and putting green. Close by, you'll be able to go hiking, golfing, surfing, and experience the LA nightlife minutes away. They also have quartz countertops and an open kitchen and living room that leads to the backyard. The main bedroom suite has its own fireplace, walk-in closet, soaking tub, and oversized shower. This house truly is a dream house. You'll have the option to choose this home or a multi-million-dollar cash prize. The charity that Omaze is supporting is Rebuilding Together, which is devoted to repairing the homes of veterans, people with disabilities, and neighbors with low income to help keep our communities intact. Long-term projects include revitalizing entire neighborhoods by bringing together local volunteers and leaders to improve parks, schools, community centers, and nonprofit facilities. Additionally, Rebuilding Together is an instrumental in recovery efforts after natural disasters, helping residents rebuild their homes and lives. For your chance to win this dream home and to support Rebuilding Together, a great cause, go to omaze.com/Nicole Laeno. The link will also be in the description box down below. Thanks again to Omaze for sponsoring this video, and now let's get into it. Everyone, happy Sunday. Today is January 9th and we are about to have a very productive day. I have a bunch of things on my to-do list for me to get done, so I thought I would bring you guys along. Basically, I didn't do anything yesterday. Like usually Saturdays I also have a good amount of things to do and I do it, but I didn't do anything. I think my body was just so tired, like physically, mentally, emotionally. I don't know what was happening, but this is how my day went. Woke up at 9:30 to eat some breakfast. Then I was feeling tired again, so I went back to sleep. Then I woke up again for lunch, ate that, then went back to sleep. And then I woke up like in the afternoon, hung out downstairs with my parents in the living room, and that was my day. Like I didn't get anything done. I was watching YouTube the whole entire day when I wasn't sleeping. But that is okay. Like my mindset towards that, I was starting to think it was a waste of a day. Like I didn't feel productive at all. So then I was like, now I'm scared because I have a bunch of things to do still and I didn't do anything. But my mom reminded me and I realized that my body was literally telling me to just rest because I like didn't want to get up. Like I just wanted to stay in bed. So it's okay to rest. Know when your body needs to rest. It usually tells you, like it did for me. I know that's okay. Anyways, today is Sunday and I have a bunch of things to do. It's currently 7:30 and I usually don't wake up this early on Sundays. Normally I'll get up around 10 so that I can get ready for church at 11. But I decided to wake up early and start my day because I have to film. Not only this video, but I'm gonna film the Princess Polly haul, which should be out already by the time you're watching this video. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. But when I'm filming this, I'm posting the Princess Polly haul in 2 days. So I need to film, edit that, and turn it in so that it will be ready for Tuesday. If that makes sense, I don't know. But that's why I'm all done up. Like my mom curled my hair, thanks mom, and I did my makeup, and I'm about to go downstairs so I can film in the pool room and show you guys all my new clothes. I'm so excited. But let me show y'all the fit right now. This is what I wore to bed. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but I'm super comfy. So first of all, I just have a basic top. This black tank is from Cotton On, and then my pants, they're new. There was a sale at Nordstrom, so my mom got me these flare pants from Zilla, and they're so comfortable. They're so comfortable. But I'm about to change out of this outfit anyways. I just felt like showing you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs, finish setting up, and then we're gonna start filming. I tell myself it's here we are. This is what the room looks like usually when I film for a haul. We have the clothing rack set up, tripod, and I'm about to put the camera on there, and then my studio light. Let's start filming. Hey squad! I just finished filming. Here's the aftermath. I have to clean all of that. But it took me like an hour. It's whoa. It's 9:04. I cannot tell you enough how much this chain has saved me because I'm kind of a clumsy person when it comes to my phone. Like I drop it kind of a lot. But with my keychain, if I drop it, I can just catch it with my chain. Also, I've gotten questions of where I got this. It's from Marc Jacobs. They sent it in a package when they sent their perfumes. It's so cute. says MJ and then Perfect and Daisy because those are the perfumes. Anyways, I have to take some pictures now. First for Princess Polly because when the haul goes out, then I also post on my Instagram. So I'm gonna wear this top and then I have to take a different one for something else as well. I'm gonna have my mom do it. I think we'll just go in the backyard real quick. Guys, look, Sadie got a new sweater. Sadie, show your new sweater. It says security. She's so cute. But I finished taking pictures. She always leaves when I come. She like doesn't like me. And then I'm also gonna have breakfast because I haven't eaten anything, so my stomach is like yelling at me. We recently got these cookies and they are so good. Hold on, she wants to go outside. Go ahead. But we got these from Costco. They're raspberry crumble cookies, and if you microwave them, they're like heaven in your mouth. So I'm gonna have one for breakfast. But next thing on my agenda is just church at 11. So I still have like an hour and 15. So I think I'm just gonna have breakfast, chill, and then go to church with the fam. Okay, it's church time. We get a Sunday mass at 11. Look, it's Christian.
Look at the weather.
Yeah, it's really nice out. Yeah. Church went great. Also, there was this kid like 2 rows ahead of us. He was so cute. He's probably like 4 years old, but he kept mad dogging me. He would like turn around. Okay, this is how he first looked at me. He was like, and then turned back around, and then the second time he like scanned our whole family. He like went like this and then stopped on me again and like slowly turned his head. I was like, oh my gosh, what did I do to you? But he was adorable. But church was good. We're gonna go back home and have lunch, and then I also have to edit. Alright guys, I just finished editing. The video took me like an hour and a half, 2 hours kind of. And then there's the thumbnail. I do my thumbnails on my iPad. I use the apps Studio and then Fonto. Okay, but I'm gonna upload this video right now, turn it in. Oh, also I moved to my bed because I was originally downstairs, but I wanted to be a little more comfy while I was editing, so I moved here. But I'm so happy that I finished editing this video because sometimes I procrastinate and then edit at nighttime, but then I get really tired because I usually have to wake up early the next day. It's just not a pretty scene, so I'm really glad that I got this out of the way. It's currently 2:34 and I still have to film for a different brand. Hopefully it won't take me long. It should take like less than 30 minutes, but I'm going to finish uploading this, then change. Oh, I'm also gonna eat something. My mom brought me up a sandwich. Thank you, Mom. Love you. And then I'll change and then go back downstairs to film. Yeah, you guys, I finished all the filming that I have. Sadie's going crazy. I finished all the filming I have to do today. Well, besides this video, but like outside from this video. But now we are going on a family bike ride. It's currently 3:15 and I changed yet again. So here's another outfit of the day. Don't mind all of the clothes on my bed. It's just laundry I have to put away. But I'm wearing my Playboy jacket that I got from PacSun. Literally one of my favorite jackets at the moment. And then this long sleeve is just black and it's cropped. It's also from PacSun. Oh, my jeans are also from PacSun. Whole fit is from PacSun. I'm probably just gonna wear my Air Forces, but my family's waiting for me in the garage with our bikes, so I'll show you guys those in a second. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring my backpack. Hello! We have some e-bikes. What are these called? Jetsons? Yeah. But we basically just ride to the beach because it's like it's a 5-minute drive, so probably like a 10-minute bike ride. But they're so fun, and we just like play music. Oh! We're good. Thank you. Yeah. I'm gonna put my camera away and try to get some clips on my phone.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon?
Okay guys, what is this place called?
We forgot to take pictures.
I don't know, the crab house. The crab house. 4:42, we finished our bike ride. We rode our bikes to the pier. And we're at this restaurant called the Crab House, I guess. But look who's here! My grandparents are at the vlog.
Hello, vlog. Family in the house.
Those are my grandparents on my dad's side. But we're gonna eat and we're gonna get some seafood. Oh, also, the ocean is right there.
And right there. Thank you. Look. You can see it. On the left. But we would always go here when we were younger. And me and Christian would always share a Snapple. So we're gonna do that. Do you want to show them our handshake? This is me and Christian's handshake. Ready? Go.
So you know, I warned them.
Yes, sir. Look at there's fish. Here's our Snapple. We get mango madness. Butter. Christian, $20 to drink the butter.
20? Per shot?
20 bucks. 20 bucks.
Per shot?
20 bucks per shot.
Christian, you're gonna get a stomachache. Stop. Your dad did that one time. Yeah.
This one?
Well, no, he went to Vegas and he was eating the crab legs, but every time he had the crab leg, he would like drink some butter.
Dad, your son.
And then the rest of the trip, he's in the room.
Yeah. Can you give us some cups, please? Here you go, princess. Thanks.
We're going to Soldier.
Yeah,
Next week.
Here you go.
Just one day, we will shoot up to Monterey
Oh, okay.
and stay there for maybe a night.
Yeah.
With the whole family.
Is that how it usually
Are
takes?
they all go home here or no?
They may have changed the
Not yet. For the what? For the blue label.
Oh my goodness. We just got home. My nose is red. But tonight was so much fun. We love riding our bikes. We don't do it every single weekend, but we try to do it as much as we can because it's just like family time and the bikes are super fun. And then we got to see our grandparents at dinner and I love seeing them. But we biked home, yes, in the dark, which is a little dangerous, but it's still fun. That's why my face is so red because it's really cold. But anyways, time check, 6:50. I'm gonna try to go to bed by like 10:30, hopefully. So I'm gonna take a shower right now and then I just have to do a few things for school and that should be my day. But I think I'm gonna film a night routine, an updated one soon because my night routine has actually kind of changed a little bit. I've been using some new products, so let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, I'm gonna hop into the shower and I will see you guys after. All right, it is now time to prepare for school. Also, I have my retainers in, so if I have a list, that's why. But this is the time of Sundays where I do my homework and then just prepare for the new week. It's kind of stressful thinking about the new week that's about to come, but I'm trying not to think like that. But I only have 2 assignments to do. Just an English assignment that shouldn't take me that long, and then a math assignment. These were Friday's assignments, but who really does their Friday assignments on Friday? Props to you if you do that, but I usually just wait until Sunday. I finished my homework. I also packed my bag and then put away laundry that was on my bed. We got so many things done, you guys. For the rest of the night, this is like the end of my night routine. I sit right there and either read or edit. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of both because I have a lot of time before I want to go to bed. But speaking of books, you guys know that I'm currently reading One of Us is Lying by Karen and McManus for Shelf Love, my book club. But I also have a bunch of books on my TBR. Also, yes, my shelves are so full. I think I want to buy some new shelves and put them in different parts of my room, but that will be in a different vlog. But I wanted to show you guys some of the books that I've recently bought because I made some orders off of Barnes & Noble with all of my gift cards. So I want to read the Addicted series. These are the first 3 books. I also bought some from Tessa Bailey and then Tweet Q as well as The Donut Trap. And then down here I have the Summer I Turned Pretty series by Jenny Han. I also bought A Fun Love Story, Something Wilder by Christina Lauren. They actually sent this as a PR package, which is so cool, so thank you to them. And then The Kiss Quotient, To Love Jason Thorne. I got these for my birthday. I bought The People We Meet on Vacation. I've heard so many good things about that, so I want to read that. I have some Coho books to read. And then this series, the Get a Life Chloe Brown, The Brown Sisters. And then I think those are all my new books. But yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of books on my TBR right now. I'm just trying to find the time to read all of them, but I will definitely keep you updated on what I read. And then also my Goodreads is Nicole Laeno, if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, I think I'm going to end today's video right here. I literally got so much done today. I'm so happy. I hope whenever you guys are watching this that you feel motivated or inspired to get done whatever you have to get done. Thank you for coming along with me on this lovely Sunday.
And thanks again to Omaze for sponsoring this video. Make sure you go to omaze.com/Nicole Laeno or click the link down below in the description box to enter the giveaway and support Rebuilding Together.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and go cop some Chloe merch. I will see you guys back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye. Mwah.